Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. Alright, so today I'm going to teach you guys a dance move where it looks like you're floating above the ground, sliding across the floor. You've probably seen it on social media where people are doing it to the A Baby song. But anyways, I'm going to teach you guys how to do it step by step. Alright, so in order to reach the end goal, learning this dance move, I'm going to break it down to the simplest level that you can do, which is basically just jumping. Alright, so the first thing I want you to do is just jumping from one leg to another. I'm just going to show it from the side. Right, this one. Anyone can do that, okay? Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Now, once you can do that, the second thing I want you to practice is now instead of jumping where the leg that's up in the air is in here, I want you to have it out here, alright? So let me just demonstrate. I want you to do jump, 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 just switching, I'm showing you to the front down, switching from side to side, alright? Super simple. Just practice this. Alright, you don't need to exaggerate, you can do it small if you want to. Alright, I'm just exaggerating to show you what needs to be done. Now, the third thing I want you to practice now is, instead now we're just gonna take the foot here in the front on the ground, right? Now, what I want you to do is just point with your toes because all of your weight should be on this leg, alright? Just as if you're jumping where the leg in front is up in the air, right? When you do it like this, you know that all of your weight has to be on this back leg here, all right? But it can be a bit tricky when you actually put the front foot on the ground because then you think, all right, now I need to put some weight on this leg, but you don't, right? All of the weight has to be on this foot. So just point with your toes here. And now what I want you to do is just switch. So you jump up and switch, okay? So let me just rewind what I did here. Brought this leg back, put this leg to the front, all right? And I'm jumping. So remember the jump. Jump, okay? Now, just practice one jump at a time. Jump, 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 jump. And remember, this leg is just almost no weight on this leg, all right? Actually, no weight on this leg. Boom. Just the back leg. All right? Just practice that a million times. And then once you can do that, you can start jumping slightly to the front, right? So what you want to do is go, just move slightly to this side. Actually, I'm going to show it here instead. So you want to move this way, just slightly in the beginning. And then once you feel more comfortable, you can do bigger steps, bigger jumps. All right? And the important thing is that you want to keep most of your leg on the back leg. This leg is just sliding. All right, and the smoother you do the slide, instead of just going ah, you want to go ah, 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 instead of ah, ah, ah. All right, so the smoother that is, the smoother it's gonna look. All right, so just practice this slow, and then you can speed up, and then you can move to the front. You can even move to the back. Hey, you got it. And remember, you can always start small, so just make small movements, all right? And then once you've practiced this enough and you feel more comfortable, you can make the move bigger. So bringing your leg more up, putting it more to the front, bending more down here, bending my knees. Yeah, so you make it bigger. And then you can also do bigger jumps to slide across the floor. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.